Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Rippling for Workforce Management, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Rippling website. On the home page, locate the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on that button to proceed to the registration page. You will see a form requesting your email address. Enter your email address in the specified field. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. You will receive an email with a verification link. Check your email inbox for the verification message from Rippling. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This will direct you back to the Rippling registration page. Now, you need to create a password for your account. Choose a strong password and enter it in the password field. You may be prompted to confirm your password by entering it again. Once you've completed this, click on the Create Account button. Next, you will be asked to provide your company information. Fill in the required fields, including your company name and address. You may also need to enter your role within the company. After entering the company information, click Next to proceed. Now, you must add your workforce details. This typically includes information about your employees and their roles. Follow the prompts to input this data accurately. After entering the workforce details, review everything you've filled out. Make sure all information is correct, then click on Submit or Finish. Once submitted, you will be taken to your new Rippling dashboard. From here, you can explore various workforce management features. Consider setting up additional integrations or features as needed. You are now fully registered with Rippling for Workforce Management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.